Hello everyone, this is LJB Games, and today I'm going to be playing a game called The Midnight Bus by It and Feel on itch.io. Now this is a horror game where you get on a bus at night, obviously by the title, and scary stuff happens, but we're going to go ahead and get started here. Let me just make sure... Perfect. Okay, let's get started. "12:06 a.m. Dang, I'm beat. It was a messed up double shift. All I want to do is crash in my bed when I get home. So here I go on the midnight bus. The driver took some back county route. Feels like it's going to be a long ride. The main roads are all jammed up with snow, so I'm crossing my fingers that this jalopy doesn't blow up. I'm feeling extremely fatigued and worn out at the moment. Yawn. "1:33 a.m. What happened? Where the hell's everyone? Hello, is anyone there? Where's the driver? Okay. Doesn't seem to work. Seemed to flash some Morse code there, which I can't read. What a piece of junk. It's a miracle that there's light still here. I'm sure I can find out what that means though with a Morse code reader. Let's see what else is going on here. Let's inspect that. Sit down. Okay. Okay, well, bus is stopped. I can't walk outside. What the hell was that? Could be dangerous. Okay, yeah, now let's, our character's being smart. Maybe best not to go towards the source of the scary noise. Probably not a good idea. Intermittence. Doesn't seem to work. Okay. I freeze. I think I should close the door. Okay. There we go. Where the hell am I? Maybe looking through the windows I can get an idea. We could press C to crouch, okay. See anything out there? Look, yes. I think it says Volmore City. Okay. Any other windows I can look out of here? They're knocking. What's going on? Hello?
Open up. I'm freezing my nuts off.
Jeez, you scared the crap out of me. Who are you? When I stepped out, there wasn't a soul in sight.
Does it matter? Open up and we'll talk inside.
Are you the bus driver? What were you doing out there?
Can't you see? We're stuck. Something's wrong with the radio. I was looking for help.
Where are the other passengers?
Why all the questions? You gonna let me in, or what?
Should I let him in? I don't want to go out. Okay, we're not gonna let him in. What the heck is that? Seems like it's coming from up on the bus. Oh no. Let's... Is there a way to... What the hell was that? Must have been a trick of the light. I'm so damn tired I'm seeing things. Jeez, it's freezing. Okay.
Hey man, do you copy? Over. George, do you
Our
hear
radio's
me?
going off
Over.
here. George.
Where are you, man? You're late. There's a snowstorm coming and you're the only one on the road.
I think the snowstorm already hit us.
Will you hurry up? We already want to close the station.
Hello, can you hear me?
You're not George. Who are you? And where's George?
I need help. I'm stuck on the bus. George has got to be the driver, right?
Dude, what went down? And where's George?
That's the thing, man. I don't know. I think I fell asleep on the bus for a moment, and when I woke up, this jalopy was crashed and the driver was gone.
It doesn't make sense. George wouldn't get rid of his old bus just like that. Are you alone? No other passengers with you?
No, it's just me, or so I think.
What do you mean? You think?
I don't know, mate. There's something lurking here. There. Help me out, please.
Okay, calm down a bit. Maybe the situation has clouded your mind. Can you pinpoint where you're at? Do you see anything you can recognize?
Yes, I've seen an old sign that I think says Volmore City.
Over City? What the hell are you doing there?
I would like to know.
Okay, got it. I'll try to round up some help.
Aw, come on. Damn it. So whatever city we're in here, it's probably not the best that we're here. I don't know, that guy on the radio seemed pretty scared. Okay. Now what should I do? Should I sit down? Okay. I don't know if the sitting is progressing anything or not. Let's see. It's locked. I don't want to go out. Keep hearing a knocking, but where's the source of the knocking? Unless that's my footsteps. It could be. Is there anything else I'm missing here? What the hell is that? There's definitely something out there. I'm not crazy. I swore I saw something for a moment, but now I don't. Hello? Damn. thing gone? Looks like it maybe tried to open my doors. Where's that knocking coming from?
Open up. Let me in.
Open up, let me in. What do you want? How do I know you're legit? You said the radio was busted, but I was able to communicate with someone at the station.
You don't understand. I just need you to let me in to see if we can fix this thing and get out of here.
If you could have done it before, why did you leave?
Like I said, I was trying to find help. Can you open up already?
I'd better ask his name. You were the
What
driver,
did the guy
right?
on the radio say?
What is your
Ain't got
name?
time for this.
Oh, I don't trust that. What's up with that guy? My head's killing me. I need a sec to get my head straight. I'm so overwhelmed. Okay, let's go sit down. This looks like a horror game. Oh, buddy, I've got some news for you. Uh-oh. What the hell? I can't move. That's not good.
Hey, buddy, do you copy? Over. Do you hear me? Over.
Oh, it was just a nightmare. But it seemed so real. Let's try the radio again. Yes, man, I'm listening.
Help is on the way.
Phew, that's a load off. Thanks, man.
Yeah, there's another driver out there. He said the wind's crazy strong, so he'll want to get to you as close as he can, and you'll have to walk to him. He'll signal you with a flashlight, so keep your eyes peeled. I've got to go. I hope you reach it.
Okay. Damn, how long should I wait? I don't know if we've got much of a choice, man. Nah, I'd go outside if I were you. Is it real or is it just in my head? I need to get out of here. I'm going crazy. Are we gonna leave? Where's that damn signal? Anything? Doesn't seem to work. Maybe we were just hearing the radio the whole time. Maybe none of that was real. Already looked. We'll try sitting down again. No, nothing. Okay, let's hit that. It's locked. I don't want to go out. Yeah, that's fair. Doesn't work. I like how this game builds the tension while you're just in this one little bus here. It's always neat when a game like uses its setting against you and it just has you in like a room or something. Okay. really good graphics-wise as well. Okay, let me try crouching again, see if I could look at anything through the windows. Just look at every corner here. Okay. I'll try sitting again, maybe? Maybe I wasn't patient enough. What am I missing? Anything new on the radio? Nope. Let me try looking out the window again. I've already looked. Look at the ceiling. Okay. Definitely gotta be something I'm missing. To progress, I just don't know what. Already looked. I can kind of see more out the windows this way. Just go window by window. Oh, okay, I could look out the back. This must be the help. I think I should go to the door. Okay, that's what I was missing. Okay. Well, let's go outside and get out of here. Go out. What happens if I hit? No way in hell I'm going out there. Yeah, that was probably for the best. What's happening? Radio going off again. Oh, whatever's out there got to the help people. This cannot be happening. What have I done? It's my fault. I'm a coward. Am I going to die here? Really?
Hey, Hank, do you copy? We have received your call for help. We are coming.
Oh, this game. It's messing with my head. Where was that? Who was that then? Hello? Hello? Help. Damn. Is it real, or is my mind playing tricks on me? No, I definitely heard it. I don't know what to believe anymore. But I have nowhere to go. I can only hold on to that hope. If it's true, I hope they don't take long. I don't want to be anyone's dinner. Standing up, time will not pass faster. This is true. Let's go sit down. I just need a moment. Coward or not, I'm still alive. The damn night seems endless. I'm so exhausted. 3:06 a.m. Help has finally arrived. Maybe.
Hey,
Still don't
stop
know
right
if
there.
that's the monster or something. Hey, stop right
We're
there.
the Forest Rangers. Got a call for help. Are you Hank?
No, who's Hank? The driver? I think something happened to him.
What do you mean? Hold up. Hands where I can see them.
Whoa, I'm getting arrested? Dude, you gotta listen. We need to go now.
Man, take a lead quick. Need backup. Don't move.
Something is out there.
I don't see anything.
Damn. Oh, there it is.
What the fuck? Oh my god.
I told you. Yep. Alright, very nice. Well, that was the game. I hope you guys enjoyed watching my playthrough of it here. I enjoyed how that, how it kind of built its atmosphere up there. Wasn't too in your face, just was a nice little atmospheric horror game. But yeah, I enjoyed playing through it. As always, I'll have my link in the description below if you guys want to check it out for yourself. Otherwise, I will see you in the next video.